Goodness me.
They're drinking milk.
Yeah. That must be painful.
It's not a human.
Ground chicken. Not allowed inside. Lights the new charcoal. It's got it going. And this is menudo with pork.
This is a pork menudo.
Right. It's one for the dog. Ingredients of menudo: carrot, pepper, potato, pork, chopped up, everything chopped up small. Heat some oil, then add garlic and onion.
Make the garlic golden brown.
Make the garlic golden brown. Add a little bit of pepper, and then start putting the pork in. This is pork belly. Can you use another kind of pork other than pork belly?
No, it's okay. What kind you want?
Any kind of pork you want. In it goes. Add half a stock cube. For flavouring you can add bay leaves. 2 or 3 or 4. It's starting to smell good.
Soy sauce for
Soy sauce. Soy sauce. I see you are cooking on a palayok. Diba?
Yeah, I'm cooking palayok. I'm eating palayok.
This is palayok cooking.
Palayok.
Yeah. So we've had bay leaves and some soy sauce. The smell is starting to get very nice now. Add some water, about half a litre.
Yes, half of it.
Okay, add the potato. Got a power cut here at the moment, so just put the potato in.
And raisins. Raisins.
And raisins. Okay, right, so we add the carrots. Cook the potatoes now for about 10 minutes. Add carrots. Smells good. Add some peas. If you have raisins, you can add raisins. It's really smelling good and it's boiling away happily there. I think it's nearly cooked.
What is?
Carrot is nearly cooked. Potato nearly. A little bit longer. Add some tomato paste. We add some salt and pepper and it's nearly done. Last of all, add green pepper. Filipinos like this sweet, so we used sweet. If you just have ordinary tomato paste, you can add a little sugar. So right at the end, you add this green pepper. Last thing to go in, just a couple of minutes before it's finished. Okay, It's nearly done. We're all hungry. Right, okay, let's see how it tastes now. That's really, really, really delicious. So here it is, the finished menudo. Serve it with rice. Okay. Look how beautiful it looks. So carefully cut up into cubes. Let me try a bit. Absolutely delicious.
Unahan na yung palupok ah.